Hi guys, welcome to our project Smoke Alarm, a Twitter bot that is dedicated to preventing burnout. In our society, millennials are facing an increasing amount of stress from work. While this is troubling, the worst part is that many of them do not even realize that they are reaching burnout until it is too late. This is why we have created Smoke Alarm to help us deal with the issue.
Our solution to burnout, Smoke Alarm, was using a Twitter bot, where most people post about their lives online. The Twitter bot will use the Twitter API to monitor the user's tweets, and we will then send them a message to inform them about this downward trend, in the hopes of being able to capture it before it is too late to do anything. The message will contain resources to help the user manage their burnout and provide tips on how to detect burnout in themselves so that they can be more aware about this issue.
When a new user is detected to have followed our account, our bot would automatically apply the AI algorithm on the past 100 tweets which the user has posted in their account. The bot would then send an automated message welcoming the user into our system, which is customized based on the results of the algorithm. The user and his sentiment records would then be added as a record into our backend database. Following which, the bot would query for new posts on followers' Twitter's feed using the API every 10 minutes and computes a new sentiment score for the new posts and adds the records into a database. The bot would then compute a new sentiment score based on the new posts. If the sentiment scores display signs of burnout such as a gradual increase in negative moods or a constantly negative mood, the bot would send a personalized message to the user, including several resources which might be of use.
Our application utilizes the Express Web framework that uses the Node.js runtime and the MongoDB database. Everything was hosted on Heroku. We also use the Python Twitter API wrapper to interface with Twitter. The sentiment report of followers were generated using the Robota NLP model trained on the Tweet-Eval emotional classification benchmark. Overall, we hope that Smoke Alarm will be able to detect signs of burnout early and help to prevent it among millennials. In the future, we hope to create a front-end application that also allows users to access data visualizations of their overall sentiment and generate wellness reports for them.